Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Pinklipps Cosmetics Lumi Balm Lip Tint in the shade Dream. Okay, I'm a little confused because the Ipsy app and the Ipsy card says Lumi Balm Lip Tint, but this says Pinklipps Tinted Balm in Dream. Then it says Velvet Lipstick. Oh gosh. But this is a brand that I'm not familiar with, and I love getting to try out new brands through Ipsy. I got this in my May 2022 Ipsy Glam bag, and this is a full-size product. It retails for $12. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and I love a tinted lip balm because I get such dry, chapped lips, but I want to also add color. So a tinted lip balm is a great option for that. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And I really like this packaging. Let's do a swatch to see how it looks. Yeah, I would say this is the tinted lip balm, not the velvet lipstick, but that has some good color to it for a tinted balm. Such a pretty bright pink color. Yay, I love pink. So I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. Ooh. It has a nice slick formula that glides on super easily. So my lips do have dry texture, dry patches, pretty much all the way across my bottom lip. So we'll see how this moisturizes, because at first it was clinging a little bit to those dry areas. I'm just going to go over with a little bit more, just one thin layer. It does give that nice even tint of color, and it is giving moisture, but let's just add a little bit more. It does get a little bit brighter, a little more pigmented, but it is still an easy to wear bright pink color because it definitely tones it down, but it is summery. I just really like this shade, and I really like the feel of it. It's more like slippy than a regular lip balm. Yeah, I think this is beautiful. It gives a little bit of shine to the lips as well. And it's not clinging to the dry patches on my lips anymore. It has smoothed that over, hydrated my lips. I will say that dry texture is still there. It hasn't completely deeply moisturized my lips fully the way some hydrating lip products can do. But this really does enhance the lips, makes them feel very comfortable and moisturized. And since you can't actually see the dry texture on my lips anymore, that's fine. I just love everything about this. The color, the feel, the finish. I'm curious how much transfer there is. Yeah, unfortunately, that's kind of a lot of transfer. And I feel like, did it all come off of my lips now? It definitely faded. That's the thing with how like slippy, as I keep saying, it is. It's gonna come off, and there's gonna be transfer, and that's just not something that I really like in my lip products. But this is so beautiful, and it's so quick and easy to reapply. Also, let's see how those dry patches look now. Yeah, I mean, you still don't even see the dry texture. So I like this. It's not going to be my most favorite, amazing lip product that I'll reach for because of all the transfer, but it is so pretty once it's freshly applied, and I'll just have to make sure to bring this with me if I'm choosing to wear this that day, because it is going to have to be reapplied after any time my lips touch anything. Like anytime I eat and drink, just have to quickly reapply. But all in all, my first experience with Pinklipps Cosmetics is great. So now, of course, I want to try out more products from this brand. I also feel like it's relatively reasonably priced. So if you have any recommendations for other products that I should try out, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.